Hello guys, so welcome back to the YouTube channel. So in today's video, in this quick video, I want to show you how to redirect a message from your company email or your webmail to your Gmail. So some of the time you don't want to log in your webmail, but you want to receive the messages you got on your email. You want to receive them on your webmail. So I want to show you how that is done. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Now, before you get to this point from your Cpanel, you have to have purchased a domain name and a hosting. And I'm doing this from Namecheap because I have a domain name and a hosting on Namecheap. So I'm doing this from Namecheap. So there's a link in the description to purchase Namecheap, or just go to btxdesign.com/Namecheap and you'll be taken to where you can get a domain name and a hosting. Alright. So once you're here, once you are here, you look for redirect. Now, before you go to redirect, you make sure that you already have your company email created or your webmail. So right here, I already have one, which we created on our last tutorial. As you can see, this is info. So what you want to do next is to come here and search for redirect. So if you can't search for it, redirect, go to your email options, where your email option is. Sorry. Now come here, go to forwarder. Now forwarder, this is where you want you want your emails to actually go to once you receive an email. Now, as you can see, currently there's no forwarder on this option, so you click on add forwarder. Now once you click on add forwarder, you want to add the address that you forward from. So is it info, is it any address that you put here, just add a folder. So let's say this is the info we created. It could be anything, it could be your support, whatever thing you have put there. Then you select your domain. So this is the domain I'm using. Now which email address or Gmail address or Yahoo mail address you want the message to go to. So let me see, I want it to go to v3designtech@gmail.com. I'm going to put it here, and there's an advanced option here you can actually add if you understand this, right? If you understand this. Now I do not recommend you go with anything here because it's only what you understand that you can set, and I have not used any of this other option here. You can close this to simply prevent yourself from making any mistake. Just select your main domain you want to use. Now select the address you want to send the webmail to, from and to. So this is from this info@my-domain-name.com to this email. Now what you have to do next is to click on add forwarder. So now that it has been done, you see all mails sent to this will now be copied to this, right? So any mail that is received from here will be copied to here, right? So you click on go back, and when you come down here, you see that we have all mails sent to this, forward to this. Now this is how you can create company. This is how you can forward or redirect messages from your company email or webmail to your Gmail, so that you do not miss any messages or email. So to delete it as well, you just have to come here, click on delete, and you have deleted it. So that is it. So thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video if you find it interesting, and I'll see you on my next tutorial. So bye for now. Hit the subscribe button. Bye bye.